guys, I'm Lisa from PreserveThePresent.com. I've been cloth diapering my kiddos for about 4 years total now, and in today's video I'd like to show you how I store my cloth diapers, both when they're clean and when they're dirty. Everybody has a different setup, but this is just a set of ideas for you, so I hope this video helps you. So I thought I'd kind of show you what my cloth diaper setup looks like in the kids' room and how I operate on a day-to-day basis when I'm changing baby's diaper. So this is my setup at home. I have this dresser here. It's got 3 drawers and I put clothes and diapers in it. And then on top of it I have my changing pad, and this right here is a little basket for cloth wipes. So on top of cloth diapers I also use cloth wipes, and I just usually like wet a few of them in the morning for dirty diapers or for whenever. And then I have some diaper rash cream just sitting in here. But that's what I use. And then over here is where I put diapers after I have changed them. And so it's just a flip top trash can, and I just put an insert inside of it. And so right now I have a wet bag inside of it that can be zipped closed. I usually don't, but if I need to go somewhere I can always do that. And when it gets full I just take it out and dump everything in the wash. But I also have a backup for when that was being washed. I just use an old pillowcase, and that works amazingly. It's actually my favorite because it folds around the top a lot easier. But in the dresser drawer, this is how I store my cloth diapers. So here I have, this side is where I put bibs and a few extra inserts just in case, and burp rags and stuff, which incidentally you can use burp rags as diaper inserts if you are in a pinch, if you need to. But I keep some baby powder and coconut oil for diaper rashes and stuff. But this is where I put my cloth diapers, and I have about 20 of them, and that lasts my little one a couple of days. I had 25 or so to start, but over the past few years, a few of them have gotten worn out and they didn't keep the liquid in anymore, and it would just go through the outer shell onto the clothes like immediately. So that was not very useful anymore. But these are all the good ones I have, almost all of them. Some of them are in the wash right now, but this is just how I put them together. So like I said, they fold together really neatly and attractively when you snap that one edge closed, like I mentioned in the assembly video. So I just snap one edge closed, that way I don't have to unsnap both of them. There's not a lot of reason for that, but I can just grab one really quick or grab a handful really quick and just get them right on out. But this is where they are when they are clean. This is where they are when they are dirty. And that is how my setup works. Pretty simple, and you can make it work for you. There's all sorts of different containers you can put them in. That's just what works best for me, to have that closed lid. I do not soak my diapers in anything. I have done a lot of research and found that that's actually really bad for them, with the way that a lot of cloth diapers are made today. And it has worked just fine for me to not have to worry about that. And I clean out this can every once in a while and good to go. So that's just one way to store your cloth diapers. So if you're wondering how I store the pre-fold cloth diapers for baby, this is one example of how to do it. My baby is currently not wearing them anymore. She has grown out of them and is in the pocket diapers now, but this is how it works for me. So I just have a dresser drawer and I put them in there and I just stack them. Like, this is just a huge stack of diapers, and I have a couple of stacks of them. These are extra inserts from other pocket diapers, but usually after I wash them, I just go ahead and put the fleece in between them so it's ready to go for me to just grab one and go. And I can just grab them and stick them in the diaper bag like that too. And it's really easy for me. I used to go ahead and fold them real nice and layer them in there really good, but it just took too long for me, and I just ended up making a mess anyway. So that's how I do that. And then I have covers over here and usually some snappies. So that's how I store the pre-fold cloth diapers for my little one.